Today I'm going to show you how to make my bourbon brown sugar fudge. It is so creamy, rich, and buttery. The bourbon adds an extra complexity to the flavor. You are going to thank me for this one. Combine butter, brown sugar, and evaporated milk in a heavy-bottomed, medium-sized saucepan. Cook and stir over medium heat until it reaches a boil. Reduce the heat to a medium-low. Using a candy thermometer, cook the fudge until it reaches 238 degrees. You will want to stir continuously through this whole process, otherwise your fudge may become scorched. Remove your fudge from the heat and pour into a heat-proof bowl. Cool 1 minute, then add bourbon to the fudge. Use your favorite bourbon. I love this brown sugar bourbon from Heritage Distillery. It has a lovely brown sugar and cinnamon flavor. It drinks so smooth. I love it over ice, and it does great in this fudge recipe. After you've mixed in your bourbon, you're going to mix in powdered sugar a little at a time, mixing until it's smooth each time, and then you're going to add in pecans. The parchment paper keeps the fudge from sticking, and it makes cleanup a breeze. I like to have a little extra hanging over the edge so I can just pull it up and out. Refrigerate the fudge for 30 minutes or until firm. Then slice with a sharp knife and serve. Store your leftover fudge in an airtight sealed container. For full recipe and extra tips, hit the link in the description and visit aforkstail.com.